Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download AI upscaling presets for 4K export in Premiere, full guide step by step clearly. To download AI upscaling presets for 4K export in Premiere, start by launching your preferred web browser. Navigate to your favorite search engine. Type in AI upscaling presets for Premiere Pro and hit enter. Browse through the results to find a reputable site offering these presets. Once you find a suitable website, click on the link to access the download page. Look for a download button or link on the site. Click the download button to initiate the downloading process. If prompted, select a destination folder on your computer to save the file. Wait for the download to complete. Locate the downloaded file in your chosen folder. Extract the contents of the downloaded zip file if necessary. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Go to the Effects panel in the program. Right-click within the panel and select Import Presets. Navigate to the folder where you extracted the downloaded presets. Select the preset files and click Open. The imported presets will now appear in your Effects panel. To use the presets, drag and drop them onto your video clip in the timeline. Adjust the settings as necessary to fit your project needs. Finally, export your video by selecting File, then Export, and choosing the desired 4K settings. Your video is now prepared for high-quality 4K output with AI upscaled visuals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.